What's wrong with you? Oh, boy.
Well, when you came in, you sure left your socks at the door. And you left your game station running.
Okay, and?
And...
Oh,
you know what?
What's wrong now?
Unique. No, I need to talk to your fucking ass.
Okay, what you need to talk to me about now? What did I do now?
First of all, no. Okay, so where were you?
All I did was go out. That's all I did. All I did was go out with the boys, with the fellas. That's all I did.
Huh? Where were you? Okay, where were you?
That's all I did was go out. I just told you.
Oh, okay. So you don't. So hold on, because I was checking your bank's account.
My banks? When you started doing this?
I was checking your bank account.
Now you in my bank account?
Period.
Where you get this shit? Where you get this from?
And let me see. You said you was where? Ain't nobody about to play them motherfucking games.
I'm not playing no games. All I did was go out. That's all I did.
Okay. So it says you spent $50 at a restaurant.
I just told you that's all I did was go out. That's all I did.
Oh, okay. So it says you spent $50 at a restaurant.
I have so you
to taking bitches out now. Oh, okay. No, so we back at it again because you still fucking with bitches.
I'm not
you
fucking
still
with
fucking
nobody.
with bitches.
Where you getting this from?
It was a cheap ass date too, $50 little, right? A cheap ass motherfucking date.
I see where this is going.
A cheap ass date.
I see now.
50. I don't give a fuck if it was $2. You ain't got no business taking no bitch on no fucking date.
I didn't take nobody out. I just went out with the boys. We just went out, had a good time. Okay. That was it.
And then it says right here, you spent some more money, so you snatching bitches' waist.
What?
So you buying bitches' waist snatches.
What do you mean?
Oh, okay. Oh, no. So you buying bitches' waist snatches now.
Oh, man. Oh, okay. I just told that's all I did was go out. We gotta go through this all the time. Every time. We always gotta go through this.
I don't give a fuck. We're gonna keep going through this.
Every time?
Because you ain't got no business buying no bitch, no waist snatcher.
Let me get my socks.
I don't know who the fuck you think you playing with. Who the fuck is you playing with?
Let me get my game system.